Circle and circumcircle of a triangle. What is a circle? We know that circle, a two-dimensional shape, is a closed loop, every point on which is a fixed distance from a center point. Another way to define a circle is to say that it is the set of all points that are at the same distance from a fixed point as shown in figure 1. You can put a great number of blue dots until you get a closed curved line figure. The figure 2 shows an example of circle. Circle can also be defined as the path of a moving point which moves in such a way that it has always the same distance from a fixed point. The path of the moving point is called the circumference of the circle. The fixed distance from the fixed point is called the radius. The diameter is the length of the line through the center that touches 2 points on the edge of the circle. We learnt about triangle and its parts. Here we have learnt about circles and its basic parts. Let us now learn about circumcircle of a triangle. Circumcircle of a triangle. A circle which passes through all 3 vertices of a triangle is called a circumcircle of a triangle. In the figure shown on the screen, the circle passes through all the vertices A, B, C of the triangle ABC. So, this circle is the circumcircle of the triangle ABC. Construction of a circumcircle of a triangle. Steps to construct a circumcircle of a triangle. 1. Let us draw a triangle ABC as shown. 2. Let us construct the perpendicular bisector of side AB of the triangle as shown. 3. Now, let us construct the perpendicular bisector of the side BC of the triangle. 4. Mark the point where these 2 perpendiculars intersect as point O. Observe the figure shown. 5. Place the compass point on the intersection O of the perpendiculars and set the compass width to one of the points A, B or C. Draw a circle. This will pass through all 3 vertices as shown. The circle drawn is the triangle's circumcircle, the only circle that will pass through all 3 of its vertices. The center O is called the circumcenter and OA or OB or OC is called the circumradius. Construction of an incircle of a triangle. The circle that fits the inside of a triangle, also called an inscribed circle. It is the largest circle that will fit and it just touches each side of the triangle at a point. Here, the circle touches AB at D, BC at E and AC at F. So, the circle is the incircle of the triangle ABC. Construction of an incircle of a triangle. Let us construct an incircle for the triangle PQR. 1. Place the compass's point on any of the triangle's vertices. Adjust the compasses to a medium width setting. The exact width is not important. 2. Without changing the compass's width, strike an arc across each adjacent side as shown on the screen. 3. Then, from the point where each arc crosses the side, draw 2 arcs inside the triangle so that they cross each other, using the same compass's width for each. 4. Using the scale, draw a line from the vertex of the triangle to where the last 2 arcs cross, as shown on screen. This line is the angle bisector of the angle Q. 5. Repeat all of the above steps at the vertex R of the triangle. You will now have 2 new lines drawn as shown on the screen. 6. Where the 2 new lines intersect, mark a point as the incenter O of the triangle. 7. Draw the perpendicular from the incenter to a side of the triangle. Label the point where it meets the side M. 8. Place the compasses on the incenter and set the width to point M. This is the radius of the incircle, sometimes called the in-radius of the triangle. 9. Draw a full circle. This is the incircle of the given triangle. The circle touches the vertices at points M, N and K as shown on the screen.